Mama, you're on the cooking show right now. I'm making bucatini. Do you want to talk about bucatini at all?
I'll call you later.
I love you. Bye. There's fresh pasta, there's dry. There's no one that is better or worse. They both have a very strong place in your kitchen. But if I want a really al dente, good pasta, I'm gonna always go dry. We've got our lemon cream sauce. Lemons are really a beautiful ingredient to use in the winter time. They brighten things up, they're seasonal, they're fresh, and then truffle is your winter celebration. So we're gonna use a black truffle and just shave it over the top. This is so easy. Water is boiling, big pinches of salt, throwing in our bucatini. When I was a young waitress, I'd never been out of the country, I'd never traveled. So I saved up $700. I flew to Milan, made it to Florence. That's where I was introduced to Italian cooking. It was restrained and it was like art, and I fell in love. There you go. Bucatini, lemon cream sauce, shaved winter truffle. Come here, Lydia. Lydia works at Katie's Pizza. Do you like truffle?
I do.
So take a little twirl here, get some truffle. It's so good. And the truffle is perfect with that lemon cream sauce.
I'm tasting a lot of the lemon and the truffle, and I think they pair really well together. I really like it, it's really good.
Bucatini, lemon cream sauce, shaved winter truffle.